Hello and welcome, my tech trashers. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing why you might want to reconsider writing for Medium.com. Stay tuned and watch all the way through because you're going to see the inside of what it's. Writing articles for Medium sucks. I know it sounds harsh, but stick with me for a few minutes and you'll understand why. Welcome to the Tech Trash, where we critically review products and software to see why it's not worth your time and money. Today, we're discussing why writing on Medium.com for money is not a good idea. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering if you can make money writing on Medium.com. Spoiler alert. It's not as easy or rewarding as you might think. In this video, I'll cover three main reasons why. First up, let's talk about Medium's hidden formula for getting views. If you've ever tried to understand how Medium decides which articles to promote, you'll know it's like trying to solve a mystery wrapped in an enigma. The algorithm isn't transparent at all. Unlike platforms like YouTube or Instagram, where there are tons of guides and tips on how to optimize your content for better reach, Medium keeps its cards close to its chest. This lack of clarity makes it incredibly difficult to succeed. You could be writing fantastic content, but if you don't know how the system works, it's like shooting in the dark. You're left wondering what you did wrong and why your article isn't getting the traction it deserves. This brings us to the impact on writers. Imagine putting in hours of work researching, writing, editing only to have your article disappear into the void without a single view. It's frustrating and demotivating. How can you improve if you don't even know what factors are affecting your visibility? And let's be real. If you're not getting views, you're not making money. This opaque system directly impacts your earnings and motivation. Why pour your heart and soul into something when you have no idea how to make it work? Now let's get personal. I've written many articles for Medium, countless hours, spent crafting what I believed were valuable pieces of content. But guess what? Not a single view. That's right, zero. It's shocking, isn't it? You'd think that at least one person would stumble upon my work. But no, it felt like shouting into an empty room. Let's talk about effort versus reward here. Writing a good article takes time researching the topic, drafting the piece, revising it multiple times, and finally publishing it. Now imagine doing all that work and getting nothing in return. The minimal to zero reward I received was disheartening, to say the least. It made me question whether my time and effort were being well spent on Medium. Spoiler alert, they weren't. So what's the alternative? Owning your own website. When you have your own platform, you have full control over your content. You decide what gets published, how it's presented, and when it goes live. You can design your website to reflect your brand's identity fully. You can manage it according to your preferences and optimize it for search engines without any limitations imposed by a third-party platform like Medium. When it comes to monetization, having your own website opens up a world of opportunities that Medium simply can't offer. You can run ads, offer premium content or memberships, sell products or services directly basically. You can diversify your income streams. Compare this to Medium's limited payment structure, where you're reliant on their partner program payouts based on reading time, and claps, it's no contest. Another significant advantage is brand building. When people visit your website regularly, they're engaging with your brand, not Medium's. This helps in creating a dedicated audience who trusts you and values your content. In the long term, having a loyal audience is far more beneficial than trying to fit into someone else's platform with arbitrary rules and opaque algorithms. Conclusion. Consider starting your own website. It's an investment in yourself and your future as a writer or content creator. If you're not sure where to start, we've got resources and guides available at Tech Trash to help you get up and running. Don't waste your time on Medium. Invest in yourself and build your brand. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more insights from the Tech Trash. See you next time.